Hi, welcome. The continuation of the assignment related to the lesson necklace from our supplement reader. How did Ma'am Loisel live the life of necessity? They lived, here the answer is related to both husband and wife. They lived in impoverished, very poor neighborhood. Neighborhood, an area where impoverished neighborhood means where a neighborhood where all people, inhabitants are very poor. Matilda had to cook, clean, wash, mend repair, bring water and bargain related to rates, cost, with the butcher, one who sells meat, and the grocer, one who sells grocery. So she had to, and they had to, husband, wife, they had to live a very impoverished, poor life, right? Describe Ma'am Loisel after 10 years. 10 years of poverty and hardship take away Matilda's youth and beauty. She becomes a strong, hard woman, right, very tough, who is poorly dressed very poorly, with untidy hair, ill-maintained hair, and ragged hands. Her hands have become very ragged, rough and tough, right? Damaged hands. This is her condition after 10 years of toil and moil. What do you think of Loisel as a husband? Cite means show instances, examples from the textbook lesson to support your answer. Loisel was a caring and supportive husband, right? He sacrificed his wishes. He had some personal wishes that he sacrificed. Not only that, and the money he inherited, which he got as property from his father for his wife. Whatever he got from his father on inheritance, right, as a son to his father, that he sacrificed for the sake of his wife, right? Why did Jean not recognize her friend Matilda? Jean is Matilda's friend, but she could not recognize Matilda. Why? Jean, Matilda's friend, could not recognize her as she seemed to be an old and worn out, too much used, right, by this life. Poor woman. Matilda was no longer her former earlier, beautiful and joyous self. Right? She was enjoying her life very nicely earlier. That time Jean had seen. Now when she come back and looks at her friend, right, who is very poor and tired and looks elder to her age, right, she could not understand, right, recognize her properly. Comment on the use of irony in the text. Irony is a figure of speech. We say one thing and mean the opposite, right? The irony in the story is based on the fact that the Loisels, husband and wife, together, spent 10 years of toil and frugality. Toil means hard work, frugality means saving without wasting anything, right? Paying for a necklace which turns out to be a cheap imitation. It's an imitation jewelry. They thought that it is really, right, precious jewelry. So, to pay the money related to that necklace, 10 years they did hard work. At the end, after 10 years of spending their life, or you can say wasting their life, at last they come to know that it's a cheap imitated jewelry, right? That is the theme of this. What is the theme of this lesson? As soon as they lost the necklace, they should have spoken to me, right? First year. And there the issue would have got sorted out. She would have told it's imitation jewelry, the problem is over. Instead, they decided to replace the necklace, right? They tried to buy the same type of necklace, which was very costly, and for that they had to work hard for 10 years. They lost their 10 years life, right? Hope you understood all these 5 questions and answers. God bless you. Thank you.